So we're a finished part 3D printing manufacturer, contract manufacturer, and what we're really pushing is the quality and the end-use products of additive manufacturing, where it is in today's space. As you can see on the table, we've got multiple solutions from end-use helmets, to children's helmets, and prosthetics. I'm really excited about the resin-based 3D printing and also the automated inspection process out of Building 3. Fowler really has some really interesting technologies that we're looking at bringing in. So EASTEC is a great show. This is I've been coming here since 1999. We've been with multiple companies. This is my first time as ABCorp. Really good show, well attended. I'm liking that I'm seeing more buildings opening up and a lot of good youthful people looking at the additive as a viable option for CNC machining.